chuan kan ti tur kan enang ti tur le ti lo tur hi tam ve a I thil thave de chu paraphrasing paraphrase hi apoi mo ve em paraphrasing kan ti chuanin a meaning danglam si lovin mo enge I aron soitum danglam si lova atluk pui ang chi kan phor chwa thiam kha poi mo ni enge kan ti danglam thei mo vocabularies te poni theya a sentence structure te poni thei khatyang verb te po nauna kan thak thei khatya ang zong kha paraphrasing achuna keng tel example hi lo en sinila education is the single most important factor for the development of a country lo nitani I topic khan enge manlaya kan essay zir dana nga kha chanin education is the single most important factor for the development of a country because the due to due to the fact that the ang kan top chin ma se kha avoid tung tur nang mani level a chuan I kalau tidang lam don ta education aya enge ka man the mo most important ai nge kam hante factor ai nge kam hante development ai nge kam hante country ai nge kam hante ti kha in ru in lo ngai to ta se in chang do em chu chu ai nge synonyms ang te kha in sai do em nge in participate pe vak lo me in sinang apoi mo ber ai chan chu most important ai the most essential element of a nation's development is education. Telo tade tailatero a structure to can allow dang lam ta chuanin country aya can ki nation kan mangta chuan development kan thak dang lam lawatero chuan ki po ki thak dang lam thei ania most essential te po ki do chuan ala thak dang lam le theya tero entinan education plays a significant role te po kan ti theya kha chu kan ti dang lam dana kha chu kan du dan lo ni ta se chuanin adot le chuanin concessions man kha chani concessions kan ti chu adding another factor of opposite opinion kan opinion so kan wa thlur binga kai mani opinion le ka ngai dan chuan ti ringot kha kan wa zia lan tam chuan khami khan a score vak don lawani chuan khang te ang kha le lam kha kan thlir ko pangai ni chu because by representing both sides side pani represent chuanin the reader will know that you are using your critical thinking kha ifmang te kha an shadon ani chuanin I opinion chau ni lo khami issue kha I lo she to I lo she bel to side chang angle chang ron kal the kha I lo study to chuan chumi zong I consider nuwa chuan judgment fel fai tak isiamani ti kha enge concession I man chuan aron lang ve thei don ta ni chuanin tiang hilon ta se ma mi tho khalo en le lok style education is the single most important factor for the development of a country ni ta tro kan topic akhati mayang chuan kan paraphrase no chuan most essential element of a nation's development is education kan lo ti ta chuan concession aron lu le thu chuan ti hanaron ni don ta ni although many would agree that economy is the most important factor in nation building it is education that has a greater impact lo ni ta se a concession asu in chithia mem kimi in siar kyan angi opinion dang kha I consider ni ti kha alanga tiro ama I evada I please eva paraphrase ngot I khan concession I han at phei kha chuan ti khan alang na te mema a wording ale English enge language commands kha inei chati kha a mu ve thei de bokani chuan khami ka kan soi rolin enge chang ul lutoka kimeyang word man ngai me alo khai kan lo shat thau mo synonyms ti kan shat ma se enge khatya angkha ti lo tur avoid tur so you have to keep it simple done accurately is better than complicated done inaccurately simple kha acha zoka so enge lang stand out mo English ka show of du lutoka enge isha ngai lo pui nang ma pona a meaning ila familiar lo ang chi kha imang chuanin a fu lo theya be comfortable with the words you choose more in word man kha hey it doesn't have to sound strange and then big ilo ti ta turam big aya khan ilo man do chu huge te poni the ta ni ma se kami huge po khala do tak la ya gigantic ti vel lo man tum chat ang kha achu chuang lo a simple la enge a accurate kha kami kha acha zo o complicate va kha awangai chuang lo cha tham nuam char nuam mo kami kha inru ru khanin e lo om ta se tro chuan a chan chu e writing exam a chuanin kan english to kan show off do alom a chan chu e writing skills kan test ani rolin kan english skills kha engma chena khanin e apoi mo ve ma se chu tiang ro chang confirm khorangai o chuan a chan chu english word a hanan ngai total and then inquire tetro inquire ti me te po asang ani aman na asang khang me te po ka chu wang chanin enge a meaning in ang ti wang ringota I kan shat kan me ke mani kan bel lau kan man chan tu lau ti khan ati swal a chet chat ve dei thei o chon chale bok chu prepare key phrases and keywords he I in thwa ka eng mo chin chu in store ve ngai ta ni a chan chu I random lu tu ka khatyang in ngai to chu pa enge key phrase le keywords an zo na mang kha ama kan soi to ang khan kha compare and contrast te ani chuan kan ti khamo khatya ang thila kha chuanin comparison a chuanin enge I manang mo I in the same way ti ang te mang the tro at the same time te poi ti thaya te ang cha chuan I contrast down chuanin on the contrary ti ang te however ti ang te kha khang kha irun ru khan lo om sa se chan chu I ingai to na run lu rola word enge dap chop lu tu ngai lo khan chuan enge certainty te po is sai dun chan he undoubtedly ti ang te khatya ang kha claimin enge inru ro khanin lo khol ve sa ula chu chana puyang cheu information in va at dun it's one hey furthermore ti te following this ti te khatya ang kha e enge mo chen kha in thwa ka khan lo om sa se khami khanin time a safe chewanga chuan in english kha tu kan in laks a level ka up be don ani a chuanin in ti nge tur chu review your essay check your own work nang mani ti kha in enlet lo chuanin mistake a native speaker pon mo mistake kan nei thei chuanin engwai nge kan nei thei lawang chu wang chanin check nge tur enge a next question a pakai chak lu to ka wang khanin enge film khol lawa pola dewa I ti zung kha acha lawa achan chu check nan khan I minute ni khatal inspire thei kha acha achan chu eng ang ponin I thil ze khalo cha se errors ka a om nuai chuana fu don lawa spelling mistake phei chu ti lo nge to achan chu careless attitude kha inge an lo detect ngal don an point out ngal don a examiner te khan chu wang chuanin I zia chau ar chuanin I check mana kha cha chuanin I in words kha claim se a accuracy kha sang thung se khatyang khanin in ru omangai o chuanin grammatical errors page to apoile as well mo achan chu I mi a criteria enge SAB ka chuan tiang eng angpon I logic kha va present enge nalmala idea tam tak po kha va ziak chhuakin vada lang chau mala grammar kha adik lo nuai chuan akal phe phung chuanin a entire essay kha we will rule it out as not so good mo kha grammar kha ngai poimo angai em ani chuanin kha kan ti tur ang chin chu lo ni ta a chuan kan ti mia lo tur essay writing a kan ti lo tur kha an le chinang pakhat na chuanin don't beat about the bush a chevela enge hemi hi a opposite in kan nei kha sabchanga khan beat about the bush opposite nge nya rempui class ate po kan sai ta khange kha shemem don't beat about the bush ati chuanin tira you have to hit the nail on the head aniem tira achat afu chat angai chuan
stick to the point poni thong tu thamis
anti mai te
stick to the point poni thai thong
stick to the point dikla tok la contribute ve zer la tikhan la participate la namin shan ringot po khamo ka ha dam de song me ke ma chok han ka chong zar chak kan nervous ve kan ya in participation han min puite me nya confidence te po abos lo reveal zo raw chuan zo na in nei chuan ka thil soi kha chang lo pal ne chin akar la ka po khanin feel free to interrupt okay chuanin kan ti lo tur chu use a hook in the form of a question mang in min zir tir chin dana chan nang mani po in ni ve man me the ka shelawa kan essay zir ve chin tir kha chanin enge question hi man chin tur min ti chin kan zir tir tu te khan mo enge question i man khanin a reader kha enge ti khan aron in engage chang an ti china attention ama ngai to na kha ilak pen do chuan zona ang hoi zong khan ti chin ro te min te ma se khami kha nang mani a chuan ti lo sham tur omza chuanin did you know hanti aya te khanin mo I enkinan thil enge mani a khan lo ni ta se mo example kan pilak unemployment thaw khan lo lut le thaila kha atop khan mo the question that arises today is that mo have these objectives been achieved so have these objectives been achieved question tira kemi zona hi atira I introduction ida kwa chuanin a en2 a check tu khanin khatlam hoi khan khami chan na kha azong ngaranga chuanin enge a full na lai kha a cherry pick pal thei tani chu wang chuanin khatianga vati ai chuanin the question that arises today is that have these objectives been achieved aya khanin you may be surprised to know that these objectives have or have not been achieved ang te khan data ul statement angin mo khatiang kha ni a himzok so don't use a hook in the form of a question so number 3 put in radical ideas or extreme opinions hey kan ti lo tur che khan kan soi to extreme de achan chu mishing kal khat de kan ni ti kha mo mi opinion po enge vasha thiam pui lo mi perspective mi thlir dan te vachom pui theilawa mani ngai dana kal vak chi mishing hi chu enge a mishing a income ang song tak panan kom pe amlo ni tero chu wang chuan enge radical ideas kha da lo sham tur avoid sham tur ania kan opinion kan share do ni ponin tema pom om de ulek te khanin mo extremely tuk lawin vung lutuk law khanin ati thei tho chu wang chuan khatiang hoi zong khanin ti tum sham zok tur chuan apalina chuanin do not criticize the government do not criticize the enge itnawa dil tur kha organization po mo kha angkha an pui va soi lo tur achan chu tuna government job in apply don aturo kha in na dil tur ber ta kha invati lung oil out chuanin kha khan in score kha ati niam roi don ani en hey private school anga te po kan lo thok don ta turo interview lo om tani interview board a khanin a private school tana chanem ngai de wan chodon khang ani wang khan khang tiang housing ivakal khan an interview khan an school chat lo na te khawa soi vak tala mo ai an dik lo na an til ti fol ka ivati chan an lamya lawang che mo chuwang chan kha ti lo sham turin se ya khan chuwang chu anya critical de lek chu tlema avoid tur kan ti na china pro khan mo a topic in than lai khan chuan number 5 chuan say I believe or don't say I believe or in conclusion tiang hi achul lo ama kha chuanin kan zir dan chin a khan lo thei lo china achan chu in conclusion in tiang atopa chuan te min tia mo ani lo pon in short mo to summarize ti te kha khang kha in manganga ti te mo I believe mo in my opinion from my point of view ti te kha mang chin tur kha min ti a min she chin dan chuna ma se khanga kha chuanin tuna chuanin extra word me ang khana kal do na chuwang chan avoid tur in word count kha atle mangai box sia I believe in conclusion if ati kherla po khan it will be understandable the examiner will understand that is what you share is your opinion kaka I conclude na ani ti kha ashadon thau chuwang chuanin vatsoi lan kher kha angai lo chuan parukna chuanin don't write everything you know is shat zong kha mo iwazia kha achul lawani chu avoid the kitchen sink approach mo kami kha in avoid sham tur at hey tam taka chuan tiro a topic kan han ena kan lo shat zong tak me kan lo bel me ani kha chuanin enge wazia vaka khatlam hoya vati vak me kha achak om to chin ani mà se kaka a fu ber lawa so akan tu nang ma ve khanin essay i body i include kha a conclusion is siam le angai awang khan verify ta ka i conclude thei thil ani lo phe ka chan ishan zong zong bazia chu avek kha nang ma tan a disadvantages zok thei achan tu everything you include in your answer mo you should give an answer to the same shi thiamem kha ani awang khan it thesis nangma thesis tho khan nangma ve khan I support le angai awang khanin I nangma poina enge anga sang sanga changa ishan song song iwa vom lu ve iwa ti bor khachu a fu lo ve theni chon enge relevant enge a question in azo kha chau kha information mo poimo chau kha ida lu tang chuanin iti mi alo tur chu a examiner khan ama le ma a allow figure out tur ang chi entenan say a conclusion at kan question te kan top hu ta se dik don me alo mo kha enge nang ma ve khan I ground kha iwa ti chiang tur ani chuanin chin khan kalo mai pal de ule ka pakhat he ta han number 2 akhan use a hook in don't use a hook in the form of a question guarantee kamo ka ti lo tur ka tita mase nang ma ni kha in lo confuse ve wa he kher kher hi chu hetiang bak chan na om thei lo he sham khoi angle changpan ron ti se kil tina changpan min ron te se he ba khi chu a thei lo engang thu in chu na poni se nang ma na enge strong ve wa in shat na thil ang ani khachuanin enge question ka that means if it is very profound more and rhetoric question man kha apoilo ma se khatiang ani lo chuan question ka chu avoid sham tur chuanin number next chuanin we have use contractions don't use contractions or dead weight words contractions le dead weight words hi avoid sham tur athan chu omzia omlo contractions kan ti achu hey I am the aya I'm ti te mo cannot the aya can no can't ti te chon will not won't han ti ang te tiang kai toy ang chi khamo man lo shim tur in lo shito me the ange a basic point of view me the ma se ka ange lo sha lo ve per the ani wang khanin karonda ve shim ani chu khang kha ese ya chon man me lo tur chonin that weight words kan ti hawa chu engteng enang he very ti ang te mo chon so ti te a lot ti ang te khang kha avoid tur entinanin very important ilo titani very important ti aya khan enge apoi mo zia isoilan tumna enge man the mo look for a go for a stronger word than very important enge nyang enge significant mo essential the body thetra necessary the body thaya khata ang zirzel khan mo into a wording a mil khatur kha in thlangai ni so a sentence mil tur kha word it thlangai chon entenan hey really tipo kan lati china really urgent mo aman mo thak vek tro inge iwanga isakpat ngai tyang thil kha really urgent ani chon ngai sakpat ngai anga kan mang tani mase kha really urgent ti ai chon stronger word kha enge nyang min lo chang ve lok temo enge aya kan man the kha chu kom in chat karing in long ngai chup ai chon ma anh tin nghe in kha kang khang tyang te kha that way words e avoid do sia tra grave te ti them enge critical te po ti them crucial te lo te tai la tra hey burning crucial tra crucial ka chu man the nga tra khatya ang zir zel khan mo enge really ti te a lot ti te very ti te in avoid the nan khan khatya ang kha enge stronger words kha in pick chinang achan chu and then so advanced te lo te ta tra enge chu so advanced ti kha chan enge engtin nge adanga ila thayang I advanced view ti khachu ashat view so iba ber khacha ma se chu aya I man the ang so advanced ti aya khan entenan hey breakthrough ang telo ni ta se niem tro hey or ingen yang kakachu interest ni ta ma se kasoi om ze bera chuanin yang bad with words avoid sham ang kha ani me hey very happy I'm very happy te pok kan ti ta tro I'm very happy ti ai kha chuanin I'm elated te han kita ila khatia ang new ang chi kha mo chonga po kha khanang mani tan po enge in vocabs kha in low build ve keu theina in zir pa na ni chumo to that with words kaman lo sham to achan chu they are empty calories in English mo ma a weightless lutok a pointless chu wang chuanin khatiang khan kan replace thei chuanin a word count a down nga tiro very important I chuan chu essential ti te polo tamta to a word count kha a down nga ma se e English level kha chu khita a option ton tiro ti wang chuan kha khalo ni ta se number 7 a chuan number 8 a chuanin do not repeat the points points ka kan repeat lo tu chuanin say ngai say non tuk lo tu tin ani me kha chura chuan throw in negative points unless cons were asked negative lo thei ang berin say hi za turnya a positive thei ang berin eng a conclusion cha lo apo a body a shim apo khan negative lu tuk lam hoi kha chu avoid turn ma se internet a pros and cons ziak ro ti anga te kha chuanin i negative kha chu angai nge ta mo so privatization of banks pros and cons azo che chuan kha kha negative lo thailo mo enge girl child te po tro kum so man girl child lawa po mishing mo no pang kum so man clean ma account hon chung chang te polo ni ta se pros and cons advantages disadvantages azo che kha chuan khang kha chu i negative nge ngai ma se khatianga azot se ani lem lo kha chuanin negative opinions ang kha chu I a thei sham chuanin I avoid tur chuanin